This is a short walkthrough on how to create a Google Doc and then share it with somebody else so that they can collaborate on the document. So we're going to start by going to Google Drive, which is drive.google.com, in a regular web browser, and it'll ask you to log in using your Google username and password. So once you've logged in, you should be on a screen that looks very similar to what I have here, and on the left-hand side, you're just going to hit Create and then choose Document. And this is going to create a new sort of Word-like document that you and your fellow collaborators can write in. So the first thing you want to do is give the document a name. So in the upper left-hand corner, click on the words Untitled Document and then just type in a new name for this document. And when you're finished, click OK. You want to make sure to name the document first before you share it, because this name is going to travel in the email that goes to your collaborators. So you want to be clear about what it is that they're accepting. Now, to share this blank document with the rest of your collaborators, in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click the Share button. Now, by default, each new document you create is private, which means that only you can see it. But what we want to do is we want to make this accessible to other people to edit. So, first of all, those other people have to have a Google account. So you want to make sure that you know the email addresses that they use for their Google account. So I would definitely ask your collaborators first to provide those addresses to you, because that's the email address you're going to need to use to invite them to this document. So down here where it says invite people, you're just going to click in this box and type in the name of the people that you would like to collaborate with. After you've typed all of their names in, you'll notice over here on the right hand side you have a drop-down list. Make sure that this says can edit if you want them to fully collaborate on the document. If you only want them to be able to comment on the document and not make any substantial changes, then make sure to change it to can comment. Finally, your last option, can view, means that they can only look at the document, but they can make no changes or comments at all. Now, if you would like to add a message that goes along with this document so that when your collaborators get the email, they can also see a message from you, you can click this Add Message box and then type in, here is the document on which we will collaborate. There we go. You can send a copy to yourself if you want by clicking this button. And you can paste the document into the email if you want by clicking this box, but we're not going to do that. So when you're finished, just click Share and Save. And then you will see that they are now a collaborator on this document. So, and then we'll hit Done. So now when your collaborators log in, they'll see this document in their My Drive and in the area that says Shared with Me. And they can begin typing in. That's about all you need to do.